Let's talk about the Anita Table Lamp by the Daylight Company. My friend Sarah with Crafted Riley is unboxing the Anita Table Lamp, and it is such a pretty lamp. It's got a copper accent on the metal and a nice shade. Each table lamp comes with a printed manual, and here is the accessory tray, really super handy. And then this tray weighs about 8 pounds. This entire lamp weighs about 8 pounds, and so the base is the heaviest. Now here's the magnifying arm. It is a flexible arm, has a nice protective cover. Really nice. And then we have this is the lamp part of it. It's all connected. It's got some swivel capabilities and adjustment capabilities, but it fits directly right into your base there. You just have to turn it until it stops. We weren't sure about that, but we read that later. And then we also have a phone clamp, which is super handy. Now this comes with a braided anti-tangle cord. It's 98 inches, so it'll go pretty far. And then got it all plugged in. So let's put the accessories on this lamp. So there's the accessory tray. It has those two inserts, one on each side. And here is the phone clamp. It's got that adjustable, bendable arm. And then on the other side, we're putting the magnifying arm, also adjustable. Here Sarah's demonstrating how you can adjust the arm, moving it down. There's also the phone clamp, which can be adjusted to portrait or landscape, whichever you need, and then that magnifying arm also is adjustable. The lamp shade is also adjustable. The Flex Arm magnifying lens is 2x4D, which is perfect for hand quilting and binding, anything where you need more light or magnification. There are 3 different colors that you get with this lamp. But you use a long press in order to change the lights. So you get a daylight, a cool light, and a warm light. And then you twist the knob to adjust the intensity of each light. Really easy. Now the clip-on tray is super handy for all of your sewing and hand quilting notions. You can just fill it all up. And if you use my coupon code, SEW20, you get 20% off of the entire Daylight website. I think the Anita Table Lamp is a great addition to anyone that does handwork and needs some additional light and magnification. This is a great product, great company. They ship to multiple countries, have a 2-year warranty, and just using my 20% off coupon is icing on the cake.